What's the meaning of bib overalls? Bib overalls. Bib overalls.
Bib overalls. Bib overalls. Bib overalls, also known as dungarees, are a type of workwear that originated in the late 19th century. This garment is typically made of heavy-duty denim or cotton fabric and consists of two parts, a trouser-like bottom with adjustable suspenders and a bib-like upper front part that covers the chest and stomach. Bib overalls are designed to provide comfort, protection, and durability for workers in various industries, such as farming, construction, and mechanics. They offer ample pocket space for tools and other essentials, and the adjustable straps ensure a secure fit during physical activity. Bib overalls have become a popular fashion item in recent years, combining practicality with a vintage aesthetic.